It's my pleasure to invite the first 7-minute speaker for today, and that is Commodore Chaturvedi. So over to you, sir.
Good morning, sir, and good morning, friends. I just want to share some observations about the thoughts which are coming in our mind, and something what I felt about them. Many times we have an experience that a thought suddenly comes to our mind, and we might not have desired it. And then, if we are not conscious enough, the thought may lead to another thought and another thought and another thought. And sometimes we spend quite a sufficient time into that. Then we realize that we are somewhere else. And sometimes we feel that we have wasted our time for nothing. So the question is that why does it happen? I can give an example or analogy that if we go to a pond and we see a bubble, where we see the bubble does not rise there. It rose somewhere deep down at the bottom. Its journey from bottom to the surface is not visible to us. We can appreciate it only when it reaches to the surface. Since we do not have the access to the source of thought, that is the bottom, we feel that it has come from somewhere else. It has not come from somewhere else. It is started at the place somewhere where we did not have the access. So that is how we feel that experience. Now the question is what to do about it so that the source can be in our control, or it can be near to the source. And if that happens, we would be able to probably generate thoughts at our will and wish. It may be looking like utopian, but the degree is different from people to people. And if we can make progress onto this, we feel that a lot of energy is saved, because every thought, it consumes some amount of energy. And that is how we feel that when we are in office or we are in working place, though we have not done any physical work, and if we keep on thinking continuously, we feel tired. We feel tired in spite of the fact that we did not do any physical work. Why is that? Because a lot of energy is consumed and supply is less. And when there is an equation of supply and demand, and if supply is less and demand is more, we automatically feel tired. That's why, despite not being done in the physical work, we feel tired. We might be having experiences like this. So what is the antidote to this? In the very precise terms, one of the after effects of meditation is to bridge the gap between the source of thought and the surface. It is a process, but If we can do this, we will feel that gradually, maybe at its own pace, we are reaching to the source of thought. And there comes a time when we realize that most of the thoughts are at our will. And it is a question of not any discussion, it's a question of experience and finding out. So I suggest all of our friends to experience this and then share the results. Thank you very much.